You're trying to figure out which social media platform you should be building your network marketing business on. And you're getting lost saying, should it be on Instagram, should it be on TikTok, should it be on Facebook? And you're thinking, maybe you should be on YouTube. And I want to talk to you about what happened to my business when I started to build my brand and my network marketing business over here on YouTube. So let me first start with a story. And it was about 6 or 7 years ago that I started building over here on YouTube. I had zero following. I think it was like 30 subscribers that were friends and family, nothing of any value whatsoever. And I was really, really intimidated to be building on YouTube because I'm not a YouTuber, so to speak, right? And so what happened was, lo and behold, I do a ton of videos. And my husband said to me one day, he said, Julie, why are you not building on YouTube? And I was like, yeah, I don't know. That's like really, really complicated, right? And he was like, I know, but I think you should like look into it because you're like the video girl. You love to show up on video. I was like, yeah, maybe. And so I kind of did. And I posted my first video. And about 2 or 3 weeks later, I got a random order from somebody that I didn't know. And I was like, oh, well, that's interesting. Like, who is this person? And then I got another one. And then I got another one. And I was like, where are these leads coming from? How are these people finding me? And I checked out my YouTube analytics. And what I was noticing was that my video views were going up and up and up on these videos that I posted 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, right? And I was like, oh my God, that's incredible. Well, fast forward, and what's happened is I bring in now 5 to 7 business builders every single month because of my YouTube videos. I bring in up to $17,000 in personal sales, again, because of my YouTube videos, right? And I was like, oh my gosh, this is a network marketer's dream come true, right? These are videos that I've posted. I'm not living on social media. And I am not building my business 24/7. I'm doing one strategic YouTube video, like you see right over here, right? Good quality content that adds value to my audience. I'm posting it, I'm making sure that it's well optimized. And then, because at its core, YouTube is a search engine and it's not a social media platform, my videos get views on autopilot for months, years to come, right? It doesn't get lost in the abyss of social media. So if you're listening to this and you're wondering, oh my gosh, maybe I should be building on YouTube, what I've got for you is in the description of this video is I've got my free masterclass on how I've been able to build my business using YouTube as a network marketer. And it's really one of the only platforms that I don't see more network marketing trainers talking about and more network marketing leaders talk about. Because what you want to know at its core is that YouTube is a search engine, right? And what that means is people's curiosity gets piqued on social media, right? They might be watching a TikTok, they might be watching a Facebook or an Instagram reel or something like that. And they're going to go and do their research on the product that they see, right? That's like what normal people do. They'll go on Google and they'll be like, oh, I'm going to research, or they're going to go on YouTube because YouTube's the second largest search engine, but it's also owned by Google. And they're going to, start doing their research. And then what happens is your videos pop up and people are like ready to buy after they see your videos, right? So I've taught hundreds of network marketers like yourself over here how to use YouTube in a simple and easy way so that it's not complicated, that it's not something that like you have to be totally tech savvy to do, because at 47 years old, I am definitely not a tech savvy person. But if I can do YouTube, you can do it too. And so again, in the description of this video, I have for you my free masterclass, and I break it down step by step by step on how I've been able to not only just grow my network marketing business, but grow my brand over on YouTube. All right. And so then what I do is I post one YouTube video a week, and I'm posting over on social media, kind of that like, know, and trust factor that goes along with people joining you. I connect people from my YouTube over to my Facebook personally, because that's where I spend the most of my time. And I tell them, hey, like message me if you're open to learning more about my opportunity, or if you want to check out my products or whatever it may be. All right. Because at its core, it's a search engine. And there are thousands of people that are searching for your company's flagship products, your company's opportunity, how to join your team. And if you don't believe me, what I want you to do is I want you to go to a website called Uber Suggest. All right, go to Uber Suggest, type in your company's name, your company's flagship product. You're going to see how many people are searching for your company's name and your company's flagship product every single month. Okay, that equates to people looking over here on YouTube as well. And there's really there's no network marketers that are showing up on YouTube and that know how to do it with strategy, right? And so it's a wide open field. And like I said, I've trained hundreds and hundreds of network marketers on how to use YouTube, and their business has changed. So in the description of this video, I'm going to share with you my link to my free masterclass. Definitely make sure you check that out. And then if you want to see how I close the leads, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link for you my video on how I've closed 100 leads, 100 business builders in 30 days. Okay. So definitely make sure you go and watch that video. If you've got any questions about YouTube and what it can do for your business, definitely make sure you ask me below in the questions. I am happy to answer them. I am telling you, I think it is the most underserved social media platform, even though it's not social media platform, for anybody that's building an online business. And I'm really kind of flabbergasted that more people are not over here on YouTube when it comes to building a brand, affiliate marketing, network marketing, and people are just leaving it all to the algorithm of social media. Because I'm telling you, what happened to me when I started to build on YouTube is I started to gain a following, I started to grow my business, I started to grow my team and getting customers on autopilot, and I've hit the top rank of my network marketing company. Right now, it just recently shut down, so I'm rebuilding again. And thank goodness that I have YouTube in my pocket, because I am ready to build my network marketing business back over here on YouTube after my previous company got shut down, right? But what happened was I was the face of my company's name, because when you search Google or when you search YouTube, it was my videos that popped up because I was able to post consistently one video a week. I have a great thumbnail. I have SEO strategies, all the things that I teach for you inside of my masterclass. I've been able to do with hundreds of my other students as well. They've been able to do, and it has been an absolute game changer. So I'm telling you, if you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, anybody that's building a brand and you haven't been building on YouTube, what I'm going to tell you is that you are leaving thousands of dollars every single month on the table. Now, YouTube is not a viral platform like TikTok is, right? But we don't want to build a business on virality. We want to build a business on stability. And YouTube is that stable social media platform that is going to give you the longevity of your business. It's going to help you grow your business over time on autopilot with such loyal fans and followers. And I'm telling you, it's going to be a game changer for your business. So again, in the description of this video, I have for you my free masterclass. Definitely make sure you register. It's about 40 minutes long, but I'm telling you, it is jam-packed with exactly the steps that you need in order to get started over on YouTube. So again, this is Julie Reynolds. Definitely make sure you like and follow so that you don't miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Bye-bye.